Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2021 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with 4,706 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a detachable windshield and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and cruise control. The Freewheeler offers motorcycle thrills on the stability of 3 wheels, and unlike its larger Grand Touring sibling the Tri-Glide, it's stripped down to just riding essentials. Powered by a Milwaukee 8 114 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Freewheeler puts 121 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,047 pounds and has a 27.6 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.